Okay, good morning. Welcome to
FamilyMath184.
FamilyMath184. Now, we got a busy day and we all slept in. So I switched what we're going to do today. We were going to do a fun probability problem, but today we're going to do a really cool geometry problem instead. And it's based on a problem called sphere packing. And that problem is, like, say you had a bunch of spheres, like golf balls or like those lacrosse balls I stretch with.
Yeah.
Or what else is a sphere?
Basketball.
Basketball.
Soccer ball.
Soccer ball. It's good. And you needed to pack them all up together to shift them somewhere. So the question is, what's the smallest volume you can pack them in? And it turns out to be a really cool problem, and also a really hard problem. And people have thought about it for like hundreds of years. That problems like that. Now, we don't have a lot of spheres, but what do we have?
We have circles.
We have circles. So it's a little bit of a different problem, but that's okay. We are going to study circles. And so I've got 9 circles here. Can you spread them out a little bit? And let's say we were going to try to pack these circles together as efficiently as possible. How could we do that, do you think?
Well, could we put them on top of each other?
No. Sorry, they have to be on that lay flat like this. The spheres would sort of stack up together, but for the circles, we're going to lay them flat.
Well, you have, in order to pack a bunch of circles, on the ground, you have to get, maybe you could pack in a square.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, sorry, I just leaned into the camera there. Yeah, maybe you pack them in a square. Maybe you pack them kind of like this.
Yeah.
Okay? So let's push them over to the edge so we can measure this. And let's get them in a nice, perfect,
Sort of perfect
as we can. Get these edges, your edges right on the edge. Alright, that is definitely one way to do it. And I'm going to take our T-square. Are your edges right on the edge?
Yeah.
There. Now this should be a square, right?
Yeah.
So let's measure it. And can you see how many inches high that is?
It looks like it's 25.
25?
Yeah.
Okay. And let's see if it goes 25 inches this way too.
Starts here.
Looks like it.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
close. It's close. Is that pushed over the edge a little bit? Because we're a little short. Yeah, push it back. There we go. We get to 25. Perfect. All right. So when we pack them in a square like this, it's 25 by 25. So how many square inches is that? Do we know what it is? Would you multiply 25 times 25?
Well, is it 6? Well, what? I don't. Well, it's 5 times 5 times 5 times 5.
That's right.
So it's going to be 3125 because it's 5 to the 4th.
It's 5 to the 4th, but that's
So-
not 3125.
It's 625.
625. There you go. Okay, so we have 625 square inches here.
Yeah.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Yep.
All right. I'm going to turn the camera off, and we're going to go to the next video.